a blast from the past and not a very pleasing one at that. But this year, of course, has been very different. January खत्म हो चुका है और शायद इसी के साथ खत्म हो चुका है Bollywood का so-called January jinx. Now, to discuss more on this, we have with us director Sameer Karnik. Also joining us on the show are Siddharth Roy Kapoor from UTV and, of course, Shailenjit Singh of Percept. So, welcome to the show, gentlemen. Sameer, I'll start with you. January jinx, first week of Jan है, उसको माना जाता है. पिछले कई सालों में जो भी movies release हुई हैं, काफी बड़ी movies release हुई थी, in fact, and they didn't work. Like Chandni Chowk to China, then there was Pyar Impossible, there was Dhula Mil Gaya.
I think ये जो word है January jinx ये शायद टूट गया है इस साल. Obviously लोग आज डेट को इसलिए मायने देते हैं क्योंकि बिजनेस ही 3-4 दिन का हो गया है. वहाँ पर लोगों की फेट डिसाइड हो जाती है, भाई ये पिक्चर चलेगी या नहीं चलेगी, या ये क्या ओपनिंग लगी है. So it all depends on that particular day, but I don't think I think इस साल से शायद ये टूट ही गया क्योंकि No One Killed Jessica kick-started the year.
Exactly. So, well, now we should listen to what Siddharth has to say. Siddharth, do you believe in this January jinx?
Actually, I don't. And I think, if you look at the facts, a lot of big movies that have released in the last week of December, Welcome, Tare Zameen Par, Gajni, and indeed the biggest hit of Indian cinema, Three Idiots, did business well into January, and great business well into January. And so therefore the first week of January was actually some of the biggest collections in Indian cinema have happened in that week. Therefore, I do believe that if you give people a good movie, they will come regardless of the period. And the first week of January is as good or as bad as any other period for that.
Okay. Well, he obviously does not believe. You also don't believe. You also have Shailenjit from Percept. Let's listen to if he believes in it.
January इस किस्म का मंथ है जहां आई थिंक कि अक्टूबर दिवाली से लेके क्रिसमस और न्यू ईयर्स तक लोग काफ़ी बाहर जाते हैं, पैसा खर्च करते हैं, एक फेस्टिव माहौल रहता है. और जनवरी एक मंथ रहता है जहां even schools are reopening, everybody is getting their act together. So unless the content is extraordinary or there is a spillover of a film that is done well in last week of December, I think this, January is bound to be a cautious month for Bollywood, and I think it's not about Siddharth saying it or me saying it. I think the last decade proves itself. The box office hasn't really, done well.
I actually don't agree with that. I do agree what Siddharth just said, that the business of Three Idiots, Gajni, did carry forward into the first week of.
But वो carry forward हो गया ना, वो release
But
नहीं
still, if you look at it, that it did carry forward, but the kind of business it did was actually वो इतना ही पैसा कमाया था जितने शायद अगर नई पिक्चर लगती फर्स्ट 7th of January को या जो भी फर्स्ट फ्राइडे आता है, उतना ही पैसा कमाया था उन्होंने सेकेंड वीक में. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि लोगों के पैसे खत्म हो गए, या ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग बोल रहे हैं कि भाई हम पिक्चर देखने नहीं जाएंगे कि हमने छुट्टी में सारे उड़ा दिए या रेस्टोरेंट में जाके उड़ा दिए. नहीं, लोगों को पिक्चर देखना ही देखना है.
That's why I should give you some credit because Yamla Pagla Divana has been a hit. And I think has been solely responsible for breaking this January jinx because, of course, a lot of people in the industry do believe in it. Did you ever have these kind of discussions?
No, we did have a discussion that we wanted to come also on 24th of December. हम भी चाहते थे हम पिक्चर तब लगाएं. But सिद्धार्थ रॉय ने सारे वो थिएटर पकड़ के रखे थे, UTV ने एक भी नहीं छोड़ रहे थे. तो हमारी सिचुएशन ऐसी हो गई थी कि we would have दोनों का बिजनेस क्लैश करता. कि किसी पिक्चर हम दो चीज़ों के लिए बनाते हैं, एक एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए ताकि ऑडियंस को एक एंटरटेनमेंट मिले, और दूसरी चीज़ जिसने जितना पैसा लगाया है उतना तो वापस आए. तो पॉइंट ये है कि अगर हम एक दूसरे के बिजनेस में खाएंगे तो फर्क मतलब देयर इज नो गेन. तो इसलिए हमने चुपचाप शिफ्ट कर लिया टू 14 जनवरी एंड विदाउट एनी.
आई लाइक द वे यू से चुपचाप शिफ्ट कर लिया.
और क्या, मतलब लड़ाई झगड़े में कुछ नहीं रखा.
So Siddharth, did you think about this January jinx before you released No One Killed Jessica?
Frankly, there was a lot of debate that went on internally about the release date of No One Killed Jessica. We knew we wanted a clean week. We knew that we didn't want to release with any other film. We knew this was a great release date. But obviously, a lot of people around us were telling us that, films in January have not worked, traditionally. But when we actually looked at the information and we looked at the data, as I told you, so many big movies that released in December did really good business well into Jan, and so I'm really glad we took that decision, and we've got the numbers to speak for it on Jessica.
So well, the gamble of course paid off for Siddharth and for you as well. But do you think that these movies also did well because इनकी placement ऐसी थी? There was one big release per week. It's not like सारी एक ही साथ release हो रही है and too much competition also.
इस इंडस्ट्री में मैंने एक चीज देखा, ईगो. जी हमने बोल दिया हम आ रहे तो हम आ रहे. एंड फिर एक मैंने बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर देखी जिसमें अजय देवगन बोलता है जब दोस्ती करके काम हो सकता है फिर लड़ाई झगड़े में क्यों रखा है, मतलब why fight about it. And आई थिंक दैट वाज इट. हमने फ़ोन किया यूटीवी को, बोला कि आप आ रहे हैं 24 तारीख को या नहीं आ रहे. बोला हम 100% आ रहे हैं. तो हम चुपचाप शिफ्ट कर गए.
सिद्धार्थ, my next question is to you. Think कि कभी-कभी फिल्म मेकर्स अपनी बैड फिल्म्स का ब्लेम सुपरस्टिशन पे डाल देते हैं and vice versa?
I wouldn't be as harsh as to say that, because in our industry where the success ratio is maybe 2 to 3%, movies being super hits, you tend to cling on to what you believe has been the popular myths or the popular perceptions in terms of when movies should be released, when they should not be released, what is a good time, what's a bad time, and you really can't blame our filmmakers because it is an industry where the success ratio is so low. But I think we all need to have much more courage of conviction in the fact that we've made a great film. We know that our audiences love their movies and they will come to watch a great film regardless of the time.
Well, of course, Siddharth is very diplomatic as always. Well, let's see what Shailendra has to say. Shailendra, do you agree?
I think Bollywood is superstitious, and Bollywood is superstitious due to the past record. So if they obviously are superstitious by seeing the past 20 years track record and realizing that these months or these dates are not really lucky for Bollywood, and fairly so.
So well, Sameer, finally, can we say chapter closed in this January jinx? आपने तो नाम भी नहीं सुना था, and thanks to your movie only, can we say chapter closed?
I think chapter closed, and जब खुला ही नहीं था हमारे लिए तो फिर बंद करने का क्या फायदा?
Well, at this point, let's get in Siddharth as well. Siddharth, what's your take on this?
Well, I think we finally got a January where none of our movies have flopped. I mean, every film week on week and week has worked. And that's great news for the industry. And I think, yes, I hope this myth can now be finally put to rest.
Thank you, gentlemen. So thank you, and I wish you all the best for future.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.